Hello world! Entertainment Tonight News said that Eva Mendes is giving a rare shout out to my man Ryan Gosling. My man is the best, she wrote on Instagram of her husband who played a stuntman in the 2024 comedy The Fall Guy. Unfortunately, success is almost only measured by box office, so I'm extra proud of my man for turning his entire Fall Guy press tour into a campaign to get stunt recognized by the Oscar. She added alongside the gallery of photos from Ryan the Fall Guy press tour. The Board of Governors of the Academy Motion Picture Arts and Science announced on Thursday that the Oscar will include an award for achievement in stunt design beginning with the 100th Academy Award for Film release in 2027. This is a huge success, an achievement that will last. Congratulations to the incredible stunt committee, Eva added on her post. Magical day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!